What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, it's FD day. Well, not really. Kinda. Hi.
Hi.
So we are cruising down to Seattle yet again. This is the second time in the same week, and we're going down for FD. So Steven is bringing the 1J S15, Damien is bringing his KAT 240, and I'm bringing the SR 240 with my new fender paint.
Dad's bringing the Celsius.
And oh yeah, Brandon is bringing his Celsius. So yeah, we're just packing up, getting ready to go. Okay, so we are at our Airbnb. This driveway sucks. You can't tell on camera. Maybe you can from down here. But it's very, very steep. I tripoded a ton because I came up on an angle here. My back wheel lifted up right there, and then I scraped coming in. So I'll definitely get some video of me coming out of it, see how it is. Steven's here, Damien's here, I'm here. We're just waiting for Brandon and Rose and our buddy Russell. They are coming after work because it is currently Friday. So yeah, I think we're gonna go cook over to Costco and Target. Probably won't bring the camera. So Damien's gonna attempt to go straight down. I don't see it happening. F you. It's like millimeters. Oof. Okay, to Costco. Alright, good morning. So yeah, we're at FD now. We're just waiting to get in line. All the guys parked in the car show, so our cars are basically going to be right where they were for Nissan Fest, same spot. And then we're going to watch some cars go fast sideways and make a lot of smoke and smell a lot of rubber. So Damien and Steven are ahead of me, and then Rose and Brandon are behind us in the Yakuza mobile, so this should be quite fun. Yeah. Okay, so we're posted up at FD. We have Steven, me, wait, wow. Steven, Damien, me, Brandon, and it's pretty good, but we're not here for a car show. We're here for some drifting, so we're gonna go check out the cars in the pits. And yeah, full sends, right?
Yeah, full sends.
Full sends.
Yep.
Full sends.
Yeah.
Did you tell them
Full
we fully did show because the parking was cheaper?
We fully did show because the parking was cheaper. None of our, well, Steven's car is a show car. Mine is definitely not. Yours is a race car.
Yeah.
Mine's at least lowered. Flames are coming out of his ears right now. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around. I'll probably have to cut all the audio again. I think that's got a 4-banger in it.
Really?
Yeah. It's not a V8.
Sure sounds like a V8. Dude, I don't remember.
Okay, we're good. Okay, so we have Chris Forsberg, Ryan Turk, who is the top left.
Federico Sharifo.
Second left.
Pat Gooden.
Pat Gooden. Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pat Gooden.
Supra.
Dan Burkett. James Dean. Peter Wisek. Forget the guy in the Viper. Yeah. Matt Field. Odi Bakshi. I think that's Justin Pollard. No, Von Gittin. Yeah. Dai Yoshihara. Forget the guy in Cadillac. You've got. Why can't I remember names all of a sudden? This guy that looks like Travis. Not you, Travis. Oh. Chelsea
Denofa.
And then you've got Justin Pollock next to him.
Yeah.
Guy Yoshihara in the FRS.
Yeah.
Michael S. No, S is the farther one back. I don't know who's in the up garage. That's
Okay. Edelbrock 370.
I don't know it. You got Travis Reeder in the S13. His did you see his electric drift car up front?
Yeah, the Camaro. I didn't
Not
show
running it for some reason.
Oh, maybe
I don't know if maybe
tag.
didn't pass tag.
And then Osmo, Frederick
Osmo, and then another Cadillac that I don't remember.
Nice. This is gonna be dope.
Dude, Falcon car. Hey, this is only like a handful of the cars too.
I know.
32 that are coming up.
I know. This is insane. But like, look at this.
All right, we need to go find. We should walk around before the.
Some Kevin Lawrence.
I think so.
RB25, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty car.
Damn. So these guys, well, in Juku Racing, obviously built that car, and they also built Adam LZ's car.
Turn right.
Just casual NOS bottles right there, no big deal.
The hub, I gotta buy seats. Oh yeah. I was trying to think if I want to drop that one.
So we're all just really enjoying the Sparko booth right now because it's comfortable and there's seats and look at that. Little bit bikes. Yeah.
That seat he's sitting in would be $660 US.
Looks like it. Yeah, there's that. Sir, that was no, that was Chris Forsberg, James Dean. How do you say his name again?
Peter Wisek.
Peter Wisek.
I just realized that Chris Forsberg has his own name tattooed on his back.
I just realized that Chris Forsberg almost walked right into Steven.
Y'all come up.
Yeah, okay. Yo, Link gang. Link gang.
Oh, hey, that's me.
So we kind of just walked the pits and it's just a lot of like for sale stuff or like brands showing off their products. So I think we're just gonna chill, head to the washroom, get some water. I'm gonna crack a fresh, tasty monster. Then we'll probably get to some drifting, buds. Just do some drifting.
What are you, TJ Hunt?
Yeah, that's ow.
Visick, who's going to end up on top of the box. It's a Falcon Tire podium sweep. On 3, let's yell send it as loud as possible so they can hear you in their car. 1, 2, 3.
Send it!
James Dean leading Peter Visick in that chase position. James Dean throwing down. Shot fired. This could be the final battle.
Yeah, but you gotta wait till after.
Guaranteed third. Here we go on 3. I'll send it. 1, 2, 3.
Send it!
Guaranteed outrun the machine. The beauty machine has their nose ready to go.
Okay, so it's the next day again. FD is over, our Airbnb is over, we are just leaving. So, yeah, this is it. It's the end of the vlog. So, alright. As per usual, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.